Hi guys, this is Dr. Jeff Eder here for another 1-minute health tip. And again, today we're going to talk about the knee and the pain that's going to happen with knee and an exercise you can do to help with any sort of pain that you might have. So today, what we're going to focus on is the soleus, or rather the muscle here with your calf, okay? Not necessarily the gastroc, but the soleus, which lies underneath it, which is a muscle that's typically used for deceleration. Let's say if you're running and you want to slow down, this is what causes it to incorporate. Or if you're going down steps or stairs, that's the same thing that can happen then too. So what we're going to do is show you a particular exercise that you can do to help out with the soleus. And all you need to do is have a chair, you can just remain seated, and you do what's known as these seated or bent knee calf raises. Okay, so it's going to focus a bit more on the soleus than the whole gastroc instead. So just like this. And if you want to add a little bit more weight, just take anything that you can, place it on top, and then push down. Okay. You can see it just like this as I'm go ahead and I'm focusing a bit more on the soleus. If you don't have a chair, again, you can go over here to the wall and you can just go ahead and you can bend a little bit. Take your knees right here and you can just bring them up like this. Now I'm just focusing on this part right here and bring it down. Bring it up, okay, and bring it down and bring it up and bring it down. Make sure your back is straight and your spine is straight when you do this, just like this, okay? You may even find a little bit more resistance here with your legs too. Okay guys, if you like this information, please like and subscribe to the channel for more health tips, not only with the knee, but the other parts of the body. And if there's anything else that you want us to cover, please leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time.